So, you want to know how to move a Steam game to another drive without re-downloading? I got you. The easiest and safest way to move a Steam game is through the Steam client itself. First, open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on the game you wish to move, then select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Installed Files tab and then click Move Install Folder. A dialog box will appear allowing you to choose an existing Steam library folder on another drive or create a new one. If you haven't already, you'll need to set up a Steam library folder on your target drive by going to Steam Settings, then Storage, and clicking the plus icon to add a new drive. Once the target location is selected, confirm the move